this?
Like they kissing them. Oh, there they go. They up here.
They
They showing.
Get it!
Get back here!
Man, you just have to cuss. I have to show this to mama. They went over here! Where they at? Oh, they still up there fighting. Fight! We got a bird fight on my phone. Where are they at? I'm looking for them.
A bird fight.
Right there! They look like they're falling down.
I think they is. They is falling down.
Bring that booty here, boy. Bring that booty here. Why you running? Come on. Get some of that. Get some of this action. Why you running? Stop running from it. Stop running. Hey, bro, what you doing? What? Hey, I think they're recording us. Here, let's make this funnier. Go. Yeah. Eat some of my food. Oh, that was too close. That was too close. I swear, I thought they was gonna jump at me.
I swear.
Oh, I see them.
Your ass. I'm messing with you.
You have to keep cussing.
I do it again.
Okay, I share this to mama. That's what I'm sharing this to grandma too. And if I want to be cussing at everything, I can show this video because I got proof of you cussing. Mr. William, where'd they go? Oh God!
Here.
Oh, hey, they keep doing that! I think I see them at the top. This is
Amazing.
awesome. Oh shoot!
They're about to get their butt kicked. Like, I'm beating your tail.
Like, yeah, you better go up that roof.
Oh, some leaves is coming down. Come off the roof. Hey, look. These birds are fighting.
Oh, fight! Oh, still get. They just making leaves fall.
He's got his leg. He
Get at it! Take off!
Get that boy.
Ooh, take him down! Take that boy down! Take him down! Get down! Oh!
You must be taking me.
Oh no! This is funny!
I know.
Where they at?
They're right there.
I don't see them. It's hard to see them.
I think they went to a new tree.
Nah, I hear them up there.
He's smacking.
Oh, Giga.
I see.
Oh, Giga. Oh,
They're coming down.
bam!
Get me, bitch. Come on, boy.
Y'all ready?
Oh! WWE!
Oh! Get him!
WWE!
Bro, anybody will pay for this. Get him!
Put this on your
Oh, he was dragging him!
Hey, put this on your vine!
He was dragging it! Oh, he taking off! Why you running? Why you being a scaredy cat? You scared that you about to die? I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Beating your ass.
Oh, he running! Take him down! Oh, he got him! What? Where'd they go? We lost him! That was entertainment.
Money!
But they said,
That's it. Pop.
they said,
Look, they can't. Fine, they smell awful. This is.
but I would say, wham.
Right there.
Oh, I think I see them. They came back. Oh, they came back. Oh, that's too close. Oh.
That's my tail.
Go.
Right now, I'll beat your ass.
Why you running? Why you running? I can't see see Jack, so I'm just gonna point the camera at me.
Where you at?
Where you at?
Where you at? You scared?
Yeah, why you scared?
I looked in the other trees.
Got a feeling they might. I have to go all the way around.
They might have went on the roof.
Oh! I seen them. I heard them seen them.
I heard them, but
They're at the top. I hear them.
I heard them.
Tweet. Listen, I think they're in the roof.
Are you okay?
They're up there.
Look, they're fighting.
Yeah, I hear them.
Oh, beep.
I see them. I see them.
I seen shit right there. It's one of them.
I think the other one left. Like
I don't want to fight no more.
a punk. That was awesome.
That was whooping. That was whooping.
That was awesome.
Break down.
Everybody want you to dance with me. Hey! Partying, partying.
We made this video.
Nigga, I did.
There you go.
That bird's still chirping. Why?
Like,
Okay,
oh my-
next video, keep watching. We might do some old dance. See you next time.